welcome back. Today we are going to buy a car. I sold the W Motors like an EcoSport because it was bulky, it was nothing, bro. It was very bulky. It was like an elephant. It was very blunt, very bulky. It was just a car to look at, not to feel it. Like it was just a car to feel the looks of it and nothing else. So today I bought another car. I sold that car. I bought another car, and this car is the Christmas event car. I bought it. Like I got it. I didn't bought it, and it's a superb car, fabulous car, better than a BMW M4 in this game because M4s there are no BMWs in this game. Hear it, bro. Hear it. And it has a L in its tail lights. L for Lexus, which I think is cool. Yeah, so the car we are going to get is the exact opposite of the W Motors. It's a track machine, it's lightweight, it's fast, it's like a surgical laser in front of the W Motors. So yeah, bro, I just want to drive this car. It's so cool to drive. So fun to drive, and it's so fun to look at it, bro. This car's cuts and creases are so cool. Wow. Interior, okay, a little bit outdated, but man, I love it. It's more analog and it doesn't have screens in it. So yeah, So yeah, we come here, we park our car. Wait. So yeah, let's park it. It's a long car actually. I don't know the exact length, or I don't know it's longer than the M4, but yeah, it's a long car. What happened? So let's get out, close the door, and this looks beautiful, bro. Beautiful. Nice. So yeah, let's go. And so yeah, guys, keep in mind it is my first car of a different brand. I always want to sit in this car. Whew, my god. So yeah, the car which I bought is the first brand that I like. I don't own the same. I don't own a car from the same brand. This is the first car from a different brand. Like it's not a Porsche. It's not a anything. It's not a Polo. It's not a Poid. It's not a McLaren. It's something more than the McLaren or the Porsche. Yeah, I always want to sit in this thing, dude. It feels like I'm like, how can I use it? What can I use it for? Yo, what is this car? What is this car? This is not the Taycan. I have the Taycan. Look at this. This is the Taycan. I got it. Taycan Turbo S. That is not the Taycan, bro. This is not the Taycan. What is this, dude? So yeah. Yo, this Christmas tree is nice. It doesn't have gifts under it. Why? So yeah. Yo. As you guys can see, I wore a jacket, a sweater or jacket. Looks kind of cool, kind of grown up. This spec is so bad, bro. Why they keep it in the showroom, bro? Why? Like, my McLaren looks $1 million better than this thing, bro. The wheels are okay, but this color is so shit. So yeah, they told our car is ready. Wait. No, actually it will be ready in 30 minutes. Okay, so our car is ready. I was just scrolling and doing some time pass. So our car is ready. Let's see. I can't see my car, bro. I can't see my car. Yo, where is it? Where is it? Bruh. Where is my car? Where is my car? Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this my car? Yes! This is my car! Yo! Yo! What up, Pakani? Zonda Revolution! Ah. Yo, it has red in its headlights. Dude, what a demon. Let me show you it all opened. Yeah, guys. Are you ready? It literally deletes the front and the rear. Like, this is only this. These are the vents. This is the tire, full exposed. Rims, the suspension arms, everything full exposed. And the front tires are also this wide. My god. And look at this marvelous V12. Yo, the rear tires are so big. And this is all. Look at the detailing, man. Look at the detailing. Yo, Zonda Revolution's written there. Ah, shit. Even this thing, there's no work to do. Black box. Some blue things. This thing. That is even in there. And look at the whole exhaust system. You can see it. Comes out of the engine block and here and then it let us start it, guys. Sound alert, guys, sound alert. And yo, look at this. The vent on the roof comes like that and it goes directly into the engine, nothing else. Start it, guys. Sound alert. The interior. Yo, the interior is full white. Superb spec, man. There is nothing to see at the rear. Nothing to see at the rear. And this thing also has the, to close the door. Straps of fiber or something. Okay, and check this one thing out. Look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel has the cluster that that shows the revs. It revs so fast. What is this beeping, guys? Like, what is this red thing beeping here? Just below the exhaust. It is beeping right now. Again, once more. Okay, now let's go. literally to like 9,700 RPM. You hear it? This car revs to 9,000 RPM, guys. Look at the steering wheel, guys. Shit. You know, I saw something like when the gear is on 9,000 RPM, when a particular gear is on 9,000 RPM, the car does something like a red beep pops up between 4,000 and 5,000 RPM. So yeah, let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's not happening now. This car is crazy! Wait a minute, it has 6 gears? Yo! Now let's check the gear ratio. Means in one gear how much does it go? So yeah. We have the extreme back. I will not say anything. Let's go. First gear 72. Second gear 124. Third gear 170. Fourth gear 237. Fifth gear direct 316 and sixth gear 470. I know it doesn't have no gear. This car is only 6 gears, guys, but it's a track monster. It's kind of hard to handle it, guys. It's kind of hard to handle it. It's going to the right. I don't know why. 437 and the brakes we don't know. Yo, so that's it for the video, guys. Till the next video, take care, stay safe, bye bye. What a killer look, man.